Happy birthday, Nanay! I hope you have an amazing day this morning. I always love you. You are the best grandmother now in the world. And I wish you have a great 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay!
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Sabi mo. Love you. Isa pa. Birthday, Nanay! Love you. Yay! Tama.
Palakpak. Happy birthday.
Naya! 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 Naya, sabi mo kay Nanay, happy birthday! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Naya!
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you. Happy birthday, Nanay. Ang wish ko sana mahaba buhay mo. At I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Wishing you all the great things in life. I hope this day will bring you an extra share of all. Thus make you happiest. Once again, happy birthday, Nanay. Love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Thank you for everything. Thank you dahil inalagaan niyo ako simula nung bata pa ako. At I wish na humaba pa ang buhay mo, matagal pa kita makasama at makabawi pa ako sa lahat ng pag-aalaga niyo sa akin.
I love you, Nanay. I love you, Nanay. I love you, Nanay.
Kiss.
어떤 길이라도 같이 걸었으면 해.